Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace mirror glass on a Dodge Ram 1500. First, gather your essential tools: a pry tool, a screwdriver, and the new mirror glass. Make sure the replacement glass is the correct one for your specific Dodge Ram 1500 model. It's also important to work in a well-lit and safe area to ensure you can clearly see what you are doing throughout the process. Now, let's remove the old, damaged mirror glass. Carefully insert your pry tool behind the existing glass and gently work it around the edges to release it from the housing. Once it's loose, disconnect any electrical wires, such as those for heating or power adjustments. Take a moment to inspect the mirror housing for any broken clips or debris and clean it if necessary. With the old glass removed, it's time to install your new mirror. First, carefully reconnect any electrical wires to the back of the new mirror glass. Ensure these connections are secure. Then, align the new glass with the mirror housing and apply firm, even pressure until it snaps securely into place. Finally, test the mirror's adjustment and heating functions to confirm everything works correctly. To complete the process, perform a final check to ensure the new mirror glass is securely seated and doesn't wobble. Give the mirror a good clean with a glass cleaner to ensure optimal visibility. You've successfully replaced your mirror. For those looking to improve their financial outlook, check out *The Simple Path to Wealth*. You can find a link to this book and other helpful deals in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.